today's video, we will see how to fix the heating pad blinking and not working. Reset and troubleshooting guide. So fix 1. Reset the heating pad. Turn off the heating pad and unplug it from the wall outlet, and if the controller is detachable, disconnect it from the pad. Wait, a, Wait at least 30 seconds or until the pad has cooled completely. Now reconnect the controller firmly and plug the pad back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check the controller connection. Disconnect the controller, inspect the connector for dirt, bent pins, dislocation, discolorization or damage. Now reinsert it completely so that it fits securely. Do not force the connector if it does not align properly. The fix 3. Use a direct wall outlet. So plug the heating pad directly into a suitable wall outlet and avoid using extension cord, surge protector, power strip, generator, converter or inverters. Fix 4. Let the pad cool down. The safety system may stop the pad if it overheats. Unplug it and allow it to cool completely. So lay it flat before restarting it, and do not fold, bunch, sit on or place heavy object over the pad because this can trap heat and damage its internal wire. The fix 5. Make sure it is completely dry. So if the pad was recently washed, and do not reconnect it until the pad and connectors are completely dry. Moisture near the electrical connections can trigger an error and create a safety hazard. So follow only the washing instructions provided for your particular models. Fix 6. Inspect it for damage. Stop using the heating pad if you notice a frayed or cracked power cord, bent or burnt connector pins, scorch mark or burning smell, unusual hot spot, a damage control, exposed or bunched internal wiring, and do not open or repair it electrical component yourself. And the last fix, contact the manufacturer. So if the light continues blinking after resetting the pad and testing another outlet, the controller temperature sensor or internal wiring may have failed. Stop using it and contact the manufacturer for warranty, service or replacement. Sunbeam specially advised against attempting internal electrical or mechanical repair. The Sunbeam warranty information. Goodbye and thanks for watching.